Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make easy Nutella chocolate truffles. This simple recipe requires minimal effort and delivers maximum deliciousness. We'll start by gathering just 3 key ingredients: rich chocolate, creamy Nutella, and a touch of heavy cream. These components will form the decadent base of our truffles. Get ready to create a truly delightful dessert that everyone will love in under 30 minutes of active preparation time. Now, let's create the luscious ganache that forms the heart of our truffles. First, gently heat about 1/2 cup of heavy cream in a small saucepan until it just begins to simmer. Next, pour this warm cream over 8 ounces of finely chopped chocolate in a heat-proof bowl. Let it sit for 1 minute, then stir until completely smooth. Finally, fold in 1/2 cup of creamy Nutella until fully combined, creating a rich, glossy mixture. Once your ganache is ready, it's time for the chilling process. Cover the bowl and refrigerate the mixture for at least 2 hours or until it's firm enough to handle. This step is crucial for achieving the right truffle consistency. After chilling, use a small cookie scoop, about 1 tablespoon in size, to portion out the ganache. Then, gently roll each portion between your palms to form beautiful, uniform spheres. Work efficiently to keep them firm. The final step is to coat your delightful truffles. You can roll them in a variety of finishes, such as unsweetened cocoa powder for a classic look, finely chopped toasted hazelnuts for added crunch, or even powdered sugar. Place your chosen coating in a shallow dish and gently roll each truffle until fully covered. Arrange them on a platter and refrigerate for about 15 minutes to set. Store these delicious treats in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 7 days.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.